Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financeable. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Binance account. So let's get started. At first let's get into any browser and search for Binance. Now click on this first website over here. Now click on register. Now enter your email address and agree the terms and conditions and click on next. Now enter the verification code you got in your email. Now create the password. So the account is created. Now simply click on done. So now we are in Binance interface. So this is all we can do to log into Binance. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.